Alright guys, here we are just outside of Goodwill. We're gonna go inside, hope to find some cool stuff. I might be doing a voiceover. Music's been loud, let's see. Here we go inside of the Goodwill, looking at the glass case, and most of the video games are gone. I don't know if somebody bought them all or what's going on, but there was only that one DS game. Those are pretty much all Target clearanced items, so the prices just weren't right on them. Maybe they lowered the price and somebody came in and bought them all. And then I saw this empty bottle of Jack Daniels for $20. Kind of weird there. I don't know why they're selling an empty Jack Daniels bottle, but let's move down the aisles and head on over to the CDs, video games, DVDs. These ones are, usually older games. You'll see I find a whole bunch of Wii games over here. Look how many there are. None of them are worth it. Maybe that Lego Rock Band. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't look any of them up because nothing really stood out to me. If you see something that I missed, of course, let me know down below, but I don't believe I missed anything. Taking a quick once-over, seeing if there's any games mixed in with everything, and didn't really see anything. So I decided to check out these blue bins, which are brand new products that Goodwill pushes out. So we're looking in here, found a brand new sealed puzzle. I decided to throw it in the cart at $2, not a bad deal. Turns out it's not even on Amazon, so I didn't even bother taking it. Looking at the VHS tapes, some VHS tapes go for decent money, especially if they're brand new sealed. You're usually not looking at a lot of money, but if you could pay $1.50 or so for them and sell them for $10 to $20, hey, I'll take that any day. I saw this because I saw SpongeBob sticking out, but it was a Easter clearance item, and Easter is just ended, so I doubt that would really be worth the pickup. Still looking through these bins here and really not seeing much. I like to do a little bit of digging in here, but it looked like a lot of housewares. So decide, you know what? I didn't check out the electronics for some reason. That's always the first place I go to. And taking a quick look at the electronics, see some phones here, no bases. I do like to pick up cordless phones, especially if they have the base, but these ones didn't, so there was no point. But I found a Guitar Hero guitar. Nice, really dirty, paint specks all over it, but for $4, I will throw that in the cart. This thing can go for a pretty good amount of money, honestly. You never know how much it's going for at the time. Prices are always fluctuating, but I believe a solid $75 to $80 is usually what I get for them. These guitars are some knockoff brand for the PlayStation 2, I believe. Didn't want to take a risk on those, so I just left them. And then this Guitar Hero guitar, again for Xbox. This is missing the battery cover. It's $4 as well. And, I didn't really want to buy a battery cover for it. I know the newer Guitar Hero was kind of a flop, and I think they shut the online service off, so it wouldn't even be worth it to pick up. Now, I see a Samsung DVD recorder here, DVD R120. And this actually had horrible reviews over on Amazon, and they wanted $6. I think it had 1 or 2 stars. Really bad. I didn't want to risk getting a return on that. No remote included, and it only sold for about $60, so I decided to leave it. And taking a quick look, I see this Lunker Bass game for $3. Not a bad price. I did open it up. It was complete in there with that little floater fishing lure type thing. Pretty sweet. It sells for over $50, so that is definitely a solid find. I do enjoy that. Taking a look down one of these side aisles, and we do have 2 decent things in the cart already. I mean, a $75 to $80 guitar and a $50 game, guys. We're looking at over $100 in the cart, and I've only been in here for about 5 minutes, if that. Found some cool tarot cards. The price on them was only $1. I did scan it into Amazon. I'd only make about 75 cents after fees, so of course I didn't want to take that. No money really to bleed. And then of course the VHS tapes. Not really much in here, and yeah, I don't know how many more times I'm going to check out the VHS corner because I have not found anything in a while. So here we are out at the car with the items. I actually ended up picking up a t-shirt for myself as well. Brand new with tags, Fruit of the Loom, nothing really too special, but $2. I could always use a t-shirt, right? Brand new t-shirt, why not? So decided to spend the money. And as you guys can see, this Lunker Bass in here, completely complete. And I forgot to mention, I did test it. Let's see if we can get this thing open. Come on, it's really in there. All right. Finally. So Here we go. I am filming this all on my phone right here. I'm trying out a new video editor on my phone. So let me know how that sounds, guys, with the voiceover and everything, because I'm not at my house right now. I'm at my girlfriend's house. So, yeah, here we go. We have the Lunker Bass. We press the button, comes right on. It works beautifully. It has the little floater right here. Pretty cool, honestly. Not bad for $3. Now, it is, getting into spring, so fishing is, becoming a little more popular right now. More people are going out and fishing, so hopefully that means people are looking for fishing items and fishing games, because this guy did not have a great rank. We're talking around 500,000 to 600,000 in toys, which means it's going to take a little while to sell. Now, it's nice that it's complete in box, but you can see that there is some damage on it. I always have people asking me how I list these items on Amazon. What kind of condition would I choose to list something like this in? Now, everybody's a little bit different. Since it is complete, it does have the box, I would like to list it in very good condition. But because you could see there's tape and the box is ripped, I would list it in good condition and then just explain everything down below in my Amazon description for the item. Same thing with this guitar here. So this guitar, it's in decent shape, but you can see all these paint specks. Now, I will try to take them off with, I don't know if I want to use rubbing alcohol or something. I don't know. I might just use a Scotty peeler and see if they pop off. Or I might just use a cleaning solution. I'm not 100% sure, but if I could clean that all off, I would actually sell this guitar under good condition, mostly because I don't have the box for it. I have sold them as very good before, but it gets a little dicey. You don't want to deal with returns, especially with items this big. So I would probably list it as good condition. This would be good condition. And yeah, that's how I do it. Now, when it comes to video games and things like that, if it comes in the case, I like to say good condition. If it comes with the manual, then it's very good condition. Now, a lot of these games don't come with a manual, so I like to look up unboxing videos over on YouTube and seeing if they actually include a manual or not. And if they don't, then I'll still list it as very good condition. So yeah, that is a short summary on how I do all my Amazon listings. I mean, it was a short trip at Goodwill, but I would say it was pretty successful, honestly. 2 items for, what, at least $100 profit? That's pretty sweet in about 5 minutes of work. And I mean, it's pretty easy to do, guys. You got to hit up your Goodwills daily. There's lots of Goodwills that I go to and I don't find anything. And I don't really show those videos on YouTube because that wouldn't be entertaining at all. And I've done it a couple times and the videos just aren't good. So at least I was able to find a couple things. I am in a new area right now at my girlfriend's house instead of being across the state at my house for once. So there are a couple Goodwills near me. I might be going to some during the day, so that could be another video. Have no idea what's going on there. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Also, let me know how recording everything on my phone and editing everything on my phone. I found this app and I do a voiceover on it and I don't really know how the quality is gonna be. It might be good, might be bad. We'll see how it is. And yeah, that's that. Another thing that I want to throw in here, I was cleaning out my car. It still looks like a mess, but I was digging out underneath the seat over here, and I found some items that I think I bought at a thrift store, and maybe they fell out of a bag and slid underneath the seat. But we have a Sony remote, we have a Nintendo DS, but the hinges are broken on it, so that would have to be an eBay sale if it works. I have no idea, it's dead. And a Doctor Who sticky note thing, kind of interesting. So guys, check your cars. I think I might even have more stuff under there, probably not, but hey, I'm happy I found some stuff. This car needs some work. You can see how dirty it is from the pup, and not much I can do about that. I vacuum it, she hops in the car. Speaking of Sophia, I see a wild Sophia right over there in the yard. Let's go pay a visit. And just so you guys get your Sophia fix for the day, she is here. She dug a couple holes because she's a little baby, right? Okay. And she's acting like she doesn't even know me. We're gonna have a fire tonight. She's gonna be here. We're gonna be happy. That's what's great about working for yourself and selling online. You can make fires in a fire pit, throw up some chairs, get some people together, and not have to worry about going into work or, you know, getting called in or anything like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to give it that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.